Hi, I'm Dan from LED Technologies, and in this video, I'll be showing you our solderless Beetle clips and connectors. They're the perfect accessory to make your installation run smoother and quicker, and you don't need to worry about soldering. Whether you're working with SMD tape, cob tape, or even IP-rated LED strip, we'll ensure you'll have secure connections. Our range include strip to power, strip to strip, bridge connectors. We also have options for 90-degree angles, T-shapes, and cross sections. Our connectors are compatible with different LED strips, such as varying tape width and pin configurations. The transparent design allows light to easily pass through, preventing any loss of brightness. Some of the connectors fully expose the SMD or cob chips, providing a continual line of light. This helps to prevent any dark spots. These discrete connectors are only slightly wider than the tape itself, meaning they'll fit in the majority of our LED profiles. Their compact design helps for a hassle-free setup without the need for additional modifications.